Check me out right here, yo.
Yo, the sun don't...
Hey, what's going on, guys, man? It's your boy, man, Ray B. Tan. You can look me up on Facebook as Ray B. Tan. You can look me up on IG at Raymani_G. What is going on, everybody? What's going on, man? I'm feeling great. I'm feeling good. Man, let me tell you how the stock market went down today. That's exactly what I want to relate to you guys, man. You know what I mean? But first and foremost, please subscribe to my channel, Stock Talks. You know what I'm saying? Please hit the bell for notifications for every time I create new videos. Please hit like if you're feeling me, and get on to my show. Get on with me. You know what I'm saying? So that way we can build wealth together in the short term and mainly in the long term. You know what I'm saying? So we can secure the bag, we can secure our future, we can secure our children's future, you know what I'm saying, and secure any assets that we may be trying to achieve for in the future. You know what I'm saying? Because we all know money is very, very, very important, and we live and survive off money, and the value to money is great. So again, welcome to Stock Talks, guys. Tonight, I am going to relate to you guys a few stocks that I'm involved with that I feel like it is going to boom. It is going to explode. It is going to take off. You know what I'm saying? I want to elaborate and share with you guys, you know what I mean, some of the positions that I'm playing, you know what I'm saying, and investing my money into, and possibly, you know what I'm saying, capture your interest, and we can play this play together, and we could succeed and be on top together. All right? So you guys stay tuned, and y'all just keep tuning in. It's Ray B. Tan, man. All right, guys. So I'm logged in, man. So let's go ahead and first and foremost talk about a few stocks. You know what I'm saying? And then I want to touch base how important diversification is. You know what I'm saying? Matter of fact, prior to discussing these stocks, let me go ahead and share with you how the stock market did today. We opened up in the red. We opened up in the red. Yesterday it was horrible. Today it was horrible. But you know what? It's all good. It's all good. You know what I mean? The reason being is, you know, you have companies wanting to hate on other companies. You know what I'm saying? Everybody want to throw bad news out there. And then you have, obviously, DoorDash. You know what I'm saying? Just came out. They started ticking yesterday, and then obviously you have Airbnb. They came out today. You know what I'm saying? And I most bet all these billion-dollar people, or even regular investors, you know what I'm saying, knew that they were coming out, and so they kind of shifted their monies or shifted their investment or their portfolios. You know what I mean? And tweaked it a little bit to accommodate for, you know, DoorDash and or Airbnb. You know what I mean? It was crazy. Airbnb was crazy. You know what I'm saying? Dash was crazy. You know, you guys, if you would have paid attention to the ticker, you know what I'm saying? I think DoorDash started off at in the high 100s or whatever, and it peaked all the way to 183, came back down, and it peaked back up. But in my honest opinion, I don't think it was a lucrative move. It wasn't, or I don't think it was a wise move to get into those plays at the moment. You know what I'm saying? Being that it is fresh, brand new to the market, brand new to the market. You know what I mean? There's a lot of volatility there. You know what I mean? And I'm grateful that I did not hop on. But I think those two companies, you know what I'm saying, benefited. The only people who really benefited was the company itself to raise money. And I think DoorDash, the last time I heard, raised some crazy number like $81 billion. You know what I'm saying? So I think they're the only people who benefited at this moment because they were down today. So again, those two companies, man, it was just volatile, and it forced a lot of millionaires, billionaires, you know what I'm saying, to shift their money. And so there was a lot of pullbacks on a lot of stocks. So, you know, my whole entire dash was red, in other words, you know what I mean, all day yesterday. So I advise to you guys, man, again, put your feelings to the side when this happens to you, and just close your app and don't even watch it. You know what I mean? Only watch it when it's green, because when it's red, it's discouraging, and numbers are just tanking, and then you get all worried and all that. But you know what? If you're in it for the long haul, and you're in it, you know, for this long journey of investing, you know what I'm saying? Everything is gonna be okay, man. You just gotta be logic with your decisions. You gotta be logic with your moves and your motives, and how you go upon shifting and making these changes, you know what I'm saying, to accommodate, you know what I'm saying, the bigger plays, even the double plays, or even the triple plays. And I'll get into that, you know what I'm saying, probably, you know, in the next videos, you know what I'm saying. But right now, again, I just want to talk about a few tickers, a few stocks, and then explain how diversification is very important, right? Because just the experience yesterday and today was crazy. You know what I'm saying? As far as today goes, we opened up red, same deal, you know what I'm saying, with Airbnb, you know what I mean? Opening up today. Dash, they opened up yesterday, so it was 2 days back to back. And then you have Tesla going in with the S&P, going into the S&P 500, you know what I'm saying? So that was causing a lot of pullbacks, you know what I'm saying? But all this stuff happens for a reason, and all of this happens for greatness, right? But you just need to do your research, do your homework, you know what I'm saying? And really just nail down, you know what I'm saying, the process on what or how you plan on pursuing your next move, okay? I was already realigning, you know what I'm saying, my moves on what I had planned on doing, being the fact that we are getting ready to hit a new year, you know what I'm saying? So what I did was cleaned up my portfolio. Anything was in the green, I just went in and heard that cha-ching, you know what I'm saying, that cha-ching, and just went and go ahead and just, you know, reduce position down to 1, you know what I'm saying, and just took my profits, you know what I mean? And again, taking your profits is not a bad thing, you know what I mean? Enjoy your hard work, man. Enjoy your fruits, you know what I'm saying? And take your profits and never look back and just keep it moving, you know what I mean? Because every profit that you claim, every profit that you cash out with, you know what I'm saying, is a win. It's easy to win. It's easy to take the win. It's easy to accept the win, but you know, again, it's always hard when you are in the lost. And that's one thing that we don't do. We try our best not to take a loss, you know what I'm saying? So again, I was already in the plan of restructuring my portfolio, and things turned green for me in my portfolio. So therefore, I reduced positions, you know what I'm saying, and really plan for the double play and the triple plays, you know what I'm saying? So with this said, you know what I'm saying, let's go ahead and get into the various stocks, you know what I'm saying, that I wanted to get into to discuss with you guys, you know what I mean? The first one is Tesla. Tesla, right now, Tesla is, let me pull up my watch list here, you know what I mean? Let me pull up my watch list. Tesla right now is sitting at about 600 and, let me pull up their chart actually. Tesla is sitting at $623 right now. You know what I'm saying? But, so they was plus 22.59. But man, I tell you, they opened up horrible this morning. They opened up horrible. As you can see this chart right here. You see how they were red? And then about 11 o'clock, they peaked up. You know what I'm saying? And I think what had happened was, you know, again, with that whole S&P 500, you know, I guess the goal was to complete the sale of $5 billion of common stock. You know what I'm saying? You know, for them being now part of the S&P 500. So there was some pullback there. It started happening yesterday. You know what I'm saying? But there was nothing to worry about. You know what I mean? Because this thing right here before the end of the year is projected to go about 780 a share. 780 a share. You know what I'm saying? So for anybody who didn't panic, you know what I mean, and you pounced and bought more, good for you, you know what I'm saying, because now we're back up. We are back up in the 600s, you know, 624 or whatnot, and this thing is just going to just take off, you know what I'm saying, hit the 700s, and once it hit the 700s, I plan on taking my proceeds, or I plan on profiting out. You know what I mean? I'm going to reduce position and profit out, and then take my profit and reinvest it in something else. You know what I'm saying? I.e. Carnival Cruise, i.e. Norwegian Cruise, i.e. American Airlines, you know what I mean? Or Southwest. I'm going to reinvest it in transportation, because transportation right now is going to be that triple play. Mark my word. No ifs, no buts about it. You know what I'm saying? Pending the vaccine, of course. You know what I mean? We all know the vaccine's starting to roll out. You know what I'm saying? And again, I currently work for a medical center, and they're rolling out the vaccines right now. The sign-up sheet is out. You know what I'm saying? So everyone is depending on the vaccine. And then and once that starts rolling out, transportation stocks are just going to go through the roof. Retail, you know, Airbnb, all the hotels, Expedia, they're all going to go to the roof. So my triple play is going to be with 2 airlines and 2 cruise lines. You know what I'm saying? Because that's going to be huge. All right? Just like I mentioned in my last video, I'm putting down, you know what I'm saying, about 300 shares a piece. 300 shares. And if you do the math, I've done the math. So for each airline or cruise line, you know what I'm saying, I'm trying to pull in about $21,000. You know what I mean? So that is my ultimate goal. You know what I'm saying? I need 300 shares of each. So again, Tesla is doing their thing, man. And I'm happy, you know what I'm saying, on what they're doing. And we're going to continue to ride this journey. Let's go ahead and hit that 700 and, you know, whatever this thing takes us to, 715, 750. As long as you hit the 700s, I'm going to reduce position and I'm going to reallocate. All right? So that's one. Tesla did a phenomenal job today, man. They bounced back, as you can see the chart. You know what I mean? As you can see the chart. I think they actually fell, because I was like 600 up, or maybe more than that with Tesla. But they actually fell, you know, under, I don't know, it was like in the maybe under 580s, you know what I mean? But again, around 11:30ish, you know, they started to come back. And I think that had to do with people or investors investing in DoorDash and investing in Airbnb, and they probably realized, like, man, this is just not cutting it out for me right now. It's very volatile. So, I mean, I don't know, but that's just my assumption, and they pulled back from them. Or maybe you have newcomers saw the price drop for Tesla and pounced on it and just rode that roller coaster back up. You know what I mean? So that's the scoop for Tesla, man. If you guys got Tesla, you know what I'm saying, we're gonna get there. We're gonna profit out. You know what I mean? And I think they're gonna go higher. I think I saw something ridiculous number, like in the 2,000 range per share. You know what I'm saying? In years to come, I mean. All right. So the next one, the next play that I'm in is Lancadia Holdings, and I mentioned that in my last video. You know what I'm saying? Lancadia right now is sitting on, let me pull up their chart, and they are actually LCA. LCA. All right? Let me pull them up, man. These big spot plays. You know what I'm saying? Do I have LCA in here? I don't have LCA in here, but you know what? LCA right now is sitting at $23.25. You know what I'm saying? And right now is a great time to buy. I think they're going to go, you know, hit the 30 range, maybe a little bit past, you know, the 30 range per share. You know what I'm saying? But, you know, in all honesty, the great time to have bought this was when they were down in the 13s or $14. You know what I'm saying? Because, you know, we're here to achieve the double up, right? We're here to achieve the double up. So if you bought it at 13 or 14 and you saw it and you stuck with it and you stuck with the play, you know what I'm saying? And you rode it to 30, then yeah, I would recommend the profit out. You know what I mean? You doubled your money, and don't ever be afraid to profit out. You know what I mean? Take your profits, enjoy it. You know, or reinvest it in something more of long term that you know is going to do for you a triple play action. You understand what I'm saying? I'm going to explain the triple play. My triple play is Carnival, and I'll explain that here shortly. So Lancadia Holdings is set to meet December 18th. You know what I mean? And right now they're up, and I foresee them to continue to ride up all the way up until next week. And then when they hit 27, 28, or 30, I'm going to claim my profits. All right? I'm going to claim my profits. So again, Lancadia Holdings 2. It's kind of too late for you guys to get in this position right now. You know what I'm saying? But I'm just sharing with you guys on some of the positions that I'm playing right now. And so that way we can talk about the success with this one, right? So I need to see this through. The next stock that I'm going to discuss is APXT. All right, APXT. She's right here. She's sitting right here. APXT. They're currently at $14.55. And it's a great time to buy right now. It's a great time to buy right now. As you can see, when they're in the red, it's on sale. Go ahead and scoop them up. Go ahead and buy them up. You know what I'm saying? So APXT is going to merge with AvePoint. All right. So Apex Technology Acquisition Corporation. You know what I'm saying? They are going to merge with AvePoint. And AvePoint is let's take a look here in my news. AvePoint is the backup company that works with Microsoft. They back up Microsoft 365. Microsoft 365, you know what I'm saying, across 13 data centers. All right, so let's read on AvePoint a little bit. Microsoft cloud provider AvePoint going public via Apex Technology SPAC, special purpose acquisition company. That's what SPAC means, guys. All right, this is where you can make that lucrative money, where it will give you that double up on a come up. And then there will be a pullback until, you know, the merge happens and and that storm settles up, or that surge settles up, and then everything goes to a close spread by 1 cent. You know what I'm saying? So it is very important that if you are not in this play right now, get into APXT, because they are working out a deal probably either end of December. From the last time I looked at them, end of December is going to be the merge deal, and then or maybe even the first quarter of 2021, right? So again, lending Microsoft Corporation cloud partner AvePoint is set to go public with SPAC deal announced Monday. AvePoint will go public via Apex Technology Acquisition Corporation. The deal values the company at $2 billion, all right? So do your research, man. I'm not going to say no more, man. This is going to be that double play. This is a double play that you guys need to get into, man. So again, if you don't got this and you watching my video, yo, get on Webull. You know what I'm saying? They're giving out like some free stocks. You know what I'm saying? Like 4 of them, I think, if you put in your first $100, and go ahead and get yours, man. Claim what's yours and flip that. You know what I mean? Or you could put your own money and buy your own shares. You know what I'm saying? Invest your own money into it. But again, APXT is a double play. All right? Is a double play. So guys, so the other stock is going to be the triple play. It's going to be the triple play. Carnival triple play. You know what I mean? Carnival triple play, man. Let's take a look. Let's take a look. Let me back out of here. Let's take a look. Let's take a look real quick, guys. Sorry for the delay right here, but you know what? I gotta put them on my watch list. You know what I mean? Because I just redid my whole app, reconfigured my whole app. So here we go. Carnival Corporation, man. Carnival Corporation. You see that? They were horrible today too. There was a few green there. You know what I mean? Where the numbers went up. You know what I'm saying? Between 10 and 12 and 4 and 6, I guess. So 6 is after hours. So I foresee Carnival going up. You know what I mean? Pending the vaccine. And all we're hearing is about, you know, good things about the vaccine right now. So again, I call this the triple play. All right. This is the triple play. They are sitting at $23.30. They were plus 98. All right. 4.61%. You know what I'm saying? And it's still climbing. Everybody's doing after hour trading right now. You know what I mean? So this thing right here is going to be on the upside tomorrow. You know what I mean? Which is great. Which is fantastic for me, because this is my triple play and I have a lot of shares of it. You know what I'm saying? And we are going to succeed. We're going to succeed. I put all my money onto this. We are going to be successful. All right. So let's take a look at their chart. I elaborated this, you know what I'm saying, you know, yesterday or my last video, you know what I mean? And I told you guys, you know, before the pandemic, the peak was about $60, between $50 to $60, and they are down right now, $23.34. You know what I'm saying? I believe that this is going to surpass its prior peak. I'm foreseeing this thing to be about $75, maybe $80 a share. You know what I'm saying? So it is a great time to buy in right now. This is that triple, quadruple play. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to buy in 300 shares. You know what I mean? 300 shares. You know what I'm saying? And let me calculate that for you guys real quick. You know what I mean? Let me tell you the numbers that's playing in my head or running through my head. All right. So $23.31. You know what I'm saying? If you multiply that by 300 shares, it's going to cost you $6,993. You hear me? $6,993. You know what I'm saying? So if this thing surges and goes up to $75, you know what I'm saying, per share, yo, we're going to take 300 times $75, equivalent to $22,500. $22,500, all right? Obviously, you're going to subtract the money that you put into it. You know what I'm saying? So, all right, guys. So let me calculate this right here for you guys, man. You know what I mean? So it pretty much comes out to be $15,513. Profit. $15,513 profit. You guys hearing me? You understand? That's already minused out the money you had bought into it. You know what I mean? That's a lot of bread. That is serious bread, 5-digit bread. And all you did was invest your money. So it's very important you get onto this triple, quadruple play. CCL. All right? And let's take a look at another one. Let's take a look at AAL. Again, I'm showing you guys diversification, right? We're going to diversify our money, you know what I'm saying, into EV market, into the cruise line, transportation market, healthcare, and all various sectors. You know what I mean? It is important to diversify. So right now we're just talking about transportation and a couple of you know, double plays that I plan on playing in the technology market. You know what I mean? So lastly, let's take a look at AAL. All right, AAL, American Airlines. This right here is another quadruple double play. All right, check them out. They are sitting at $18.55 plus 55, and they're still on the rise. They're still on the up and up. You know what I mean? And look at them. They started off horrible. They started off in the red, just like I explained this morning. You know what I'm saying? And in the greatness of the market, it bounced back right before 10 o'clock in the morning, and it rose and just kind of just steadily climbed, and it's still climbing. So tomorrow is going to be a good day. I can most bet it in transportation. You know what I'm saying? Let's go see. Let's take a look at some news. Oops. Let's see if there's any news on them. You know what I'm saying? That I'm slipping on. American Airlines shares are trading higher. Potential amid vaccine rollouts beginning, which could help airline companies regain demand. You know what I'm saying? That is an important deal, man. You know what I'm saying? We already know transportation is not going anywhere. Airlines or cruise lines aren't going anywhere. That is our global transportation. There's not even no point putting your money in your bank account at this point. You know what I mean? Put your money in these cruise lines. Put your money in these airlines. Let's get this money, man. Ride this journey with your boy, man. Ray B. Tan. You know what I'm saying? I'm here to not steer you wrong. You know what I'm saying? This is just what I believe in. You know what I mean? And let's ride this journey together. You know what I mean? Let's secure the bag, secure our future, secure our children's future. You know what I'm saying? And let's get this money together so we can enjoy fruit together. You know what I'm saying? If you feeling my vibe, man, hit like. If you haven't already, man, please subscribe to my channel. Feel free to share my channel with people. You know what I'm saying? To your friends, to your families. You know what I'm saying? If you're feeling my vibe, if you're feeling my energy, if you're feeling my motivation, you know what I'm saying, about getting this money, man, let's go ahead and achieve greatness. You know what I'm saying? So that way we can live and conquer our future, live to conquer life together. You know what I'm saying? Y'all, appreciate y'all, man. It's your boy, man, Ray B. Tan. You know what I'm saying? Again, please subscribe to my channel. You know what I'm saying? With this said, now let me go ahead and discuss diversification. You know what I mean? It's very important when you're investing. Yo, you need to diversify your money. You know what I'm saying? Diversify your money. You know what I'm saying? Because at any given point when the stock market tanks, let's say the EV sector, don't just put all your money on this EV sector. You know what I mean? The electric vehicle sector. Don't put all your money on the transportation sector or healthcare sector or technology sector, because again, the market has its ups and the market has its downs. You know what I'm saying? So when that table turns, if the healthcare is down, you're still up in technology. When the technology's down, you're still up in the EV market. You know what I mean? When two's down, you're up on the other two. You know what I mean? You always got to be, you know what I'm saying, on a double up. Always on a double up. Investment is all about the gains. Always be on a double up, be on a triple up, on a quadruple up. You know what I mean? Let's go ahead, man. So again, that is the most I can say, the importance of diversification. You know what I'm saying? Put your feelings to the side. Contribute your money, because we all are corporations to the government, to our economy. You know what I'm saying? And invest your money wisely. We're going for the long haul. Again, man, subscribe to my channel. It's your boy Ray B. Tan on Stock Talks. I appreciate your time. If you're feeling me, man, again, please hit like. Please share my channel. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to get to, 50 subscribers. You know what I'm saying? And grow from there. 50 to 100. 100 to 50. You know what I'm saying? 150 to 200. 250 to 300. You feel me? It's all about the gains. It's all about the double up. It's all about the come up. You know what I'm saying? I appreciate y'all again, man. And God bless y'all. And hopefully you guys can hop on APXT. That is the next one. That is the next big play for the double up. Hop on American Airlines, Southwest, JetBlue, Norwegian, Royal Caribbeans. You know what I'm saying? Carnival Cruise. You know what I'm saying? A little bit of money you got, put them in there, man. You know what I'm saying? And let's eat while they sleep. Secure this bag. May God bless you all.
1, 2. Check me out right here, yo.